I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. I pray to Almighty to offer blessings to all of you and fulfill all your wishes. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Virgo horoscope for the month of April 2025. And during the month of April, there will be conjunction of Rahu and Saturn, which has come after 30 years. And what will the impact of this conjunction on different aspect of your life? We are going to discuss this in complete detail in this particular period. Also, there will be transit of Sun in Aries, which is the most important transit of this month as well. And what will the impact of this on different aspect, we are going to discuss this as well in this particular video. I have prepared this Excel sheet on the basis of which I have prepared this monthly horoscope, in which I have mentioned the important transit of Sun, and you can see Rahu and Saturn conjunction is also there. And during the month of April, Mars is also going to transit in the house of Cancer, and on the basis of this Excel sheet only I have analyzed and prepare this monthly birth chart analysis report for you. Now let's move forward and first discuss about your career during the month of April. Period till 14th of April, your birth chart will look like this. As you can see here, during this period, Rahu, Saturn, Venus, Sun and Mercury conjunction is there in your 7th house. Jupiter is there in the house of Fortune. Mars is currently transiting in the house of Karma, and Ketu is presently placed in your Lagna house. So let's understand what will the impact of these planetary positions on your career first. Currently, Rahu and Saturn is there, that is forming Shrapit dosha in your 7th house, and Rahu Sun conjunction is forming Grahan dosha in your 7th house. So during this period, you have to be very careful when we talk about your partnership business, because this is very crucial period for your partnership business. Here, Rahu Saturn conjunction as well as Rahu and Sun conjunction here may create huge turbulence in your partnership business. There are chances that huge conflict may arise with your partners, so you have to be very careful about that. Avoid unnecessary hasty decisions related to your partnership business, and people who are planning to start any new venture with their partners, then you have to be very careful. This is not the right time to start a partnership venture, otherwise your mental stress may increase, your financial instability may also increase here. There are also chances that if you are doing any partnership business, then you won't get the fruits of your hard work. There are chances that hurdles may increase a lot here due to the presence of Ketu in the house of Lagna, and Saturn Rahu aspect is also there in the house of Lagna, which may create huge instability in your mind. These aspects may force you to take some wrong decision here, and these decisions may be related to your business, may be related to your personal life here. And what will the impact of this on your health as well as on your personal life, we are going to discuss this in complete detail in our later section. These conjunctions here may also impact your decision making power, so you have to be very careful while taking decisions here. During the current period, Mars is placed in the house of Karma, and Mars is the lord of your 8th house, and currently 8th house lord is transiting in the house of Karma, which is also aspecting the 4th house here, which may create trouble at your workplace. There are chances that you may face some conflict with your seniors, with your colleagues here. There are also chances that you may start reacting over small issues. Here, aspect of Rahu Saturn on the house of Lagna and Mars placement in the house of Karma may impact your career here. There are chances that you may force to take some wrong decision related to your career. There are also chances that due to some conflict or issues at your workplace, so this is not the right time to change your job or do heavy investment anywhere. Avoid unnecessary hasty decision during this particular period. Due to the aspect of Mars on the 4th house, it may also create some turbulence at your home. People who are doing some business at their birthplace may face some trouble here, may face some instability in their career here. If we talk about the positive aspect of Mars here and Rahu Saturn conjunction here in the 7th house, there are chances that professionals who are searching some opportunities abroad or professionals who are into online business or professionals who are searching some opportunities away from their birthplace may get some sudden gains or sudden opportunities here. So this is the positive aspect of Mars as well as Rahu Saturn in the 7th house here. Currently Jupiter is transiting in the house of fortune, and Jupiter is aspecting your 3rd house here and the house of Lagna here, due to which there are chances that you may visit some holy places, due to which there are also chances that it will increase your self confidence here. People who are doing some business along with their siblings, then such people may see stability in their career or may see stability in their businesses. There are also chances that people who are into media related work, people who are a writer, so such professionals will be getting good opportunities of Jupiter here. Due to the placement of Jupiter in the 9th house, there are also chances that professionals who are working for some social cause will be getting some good opportunities in the coming period. After 14th of April, your birth chart will look like this, as you can see here. During this period, Sun is going to transit in the 8th house here in the house of Aries, due to which Rahu Sun Grahan Dosha is going to end. Also, the combust position of Venus is also going to end, and Mars is also transiting in your 11th house in the house of Cancer, which is the debilitated sign of Mars. So let's understand what will be the impact of all these transit on your career first. Currently Sun, which is in Aries, that is the exalted sign of Sun, and Sun is also the lord of the 12th house. Currently lord of 12th is transiting in the 8th house, which may give you some sudden gains, sudden unexpected gains as well. People who are searching some opportunities abroad, if you have been facing some challenges in your career, there are also chances that you may get some sudden opportunities which you are not expecting during the past few months. If you have been struggling in getting the fruits of your hard work during the past few months, then the transit of Sun here will give you some sudden gains here. People who are into some research work, then such professionals will be getting some good opportunities here. On the other hand, people who are into some family business, if you are running any family business, then transit of Sun here will give you some sudden opportunities here. What will the impact of this on your health, which is very crucial? We are going to discuss this in our health related section. Mars, which is going to transit in your house of profit, is currently aspecting your 5th house as well as the 6th house here. If you are running any business, or professionals who are doing any business with the help of the social circle, or if you are doing any partnership business with the help of your friends, then this transit of Mars may create some conflict with your friends, may create some conflict with your partners here. There are also chances that your travel in your job or business may increase here. Your workload may also increase, which may create some stress related issues when we talk about your personal life as well as professional life here. On the other hand, when Mars is going to transit from the house of karma to the 11th house, then the conflict at your workplace may start reducing. So you have to be very careful till 12th of April. Avoid any hasty decision like changing your job. Otherwise, your mental stress may increase here. On the other hand, Venus, which was in combust position due to the Sun here, Venus, which is placed in the house of Pisces, will give you some good opportunities here. There are also chances that related to your partnership business, conflict will start reducing here. If you have been facing some challenges in your business, then you will see some good results of Venus here. So that was all about your career. Now let's move forward and discuss about your health during the month of April. When we talk about your health, then the month of April is not so favorable for your health. Currently, Rahu, Saturn, Mercury, Venus and Sun conjunction is there in the 7th house, due to which people who are suffering from some gastrointestinal issues or lower abdomen issues, then such people may face huge trouble here. Also, period after 14th of April, when Sun is going to transit in your 8th house, this period will be very crucial for you, specifically to those who are also having some issues related to their heart, or if you are having high cholesterol level, then this period will be very crucial for you. You have to keep a proper check on your cholesterol level. Female who are pregnant have to be very careful during this particular period. Avoid lifting heavy weights or unnecessary exercises which may impact your health in a negative manner. So you have to be very careful. Due to the transit of Mars after 10th of April, and Mars is going to aspect your 6th house as well, which may create some problem related to your backbone. So you have to be very careful, specifically those who are suffering from backbone related issues like cervical spondylitis or slip disc. So you have to do physical exercise during this particular period. So that was all about your health. Now let's move forward and discuss about your finances during this month. If we talk about your finances, then the period of April will give you some mixed result here. Currently, the Lord of the second house here, the Lord of the second house, which is Venus, will be in a combust position with Sun till 14th of April, which may create some problems related to your financial matter. There are chances that your expenses may increase during this period, and these expenses may be related to your health issues, specifically period after 14th of April, when Sun is going to transit in your 8th house and Mars will be here in the house of Cancer. So you have to be very careful when you talk about your financial decision. So avoid any unnecessary expenses during this period. If we talk about the positive as well as the negative period or days during the month of April, then 3rd to 5th of April and 16th to 17th of April will be a positive period for your financial matter. There are chances that during this particular days you may get some good results related to your finances. There are also chances that you may get some good returns from your previous investment. On the other hand, if we talk about the negative aspect, then period from 11th to 13th of April and 24th to 25th of April, you have to be very careful. During these days, there are chances that your expenses may increase exponentially, which may create some stress related to your financial matter, which may also impact your monthly budget. So that was all about your finances. Now let's move forward and discuss about your love and romance life. If we talk about your love and romance life, then the month of April is not so favorable for your romance life. There are chances that your conflict will increase related to your relationship matters, because during the current period, Rahu, Saturn, Mercury, Venus and Sun conjunction is there in the 7th house, and after 10th of April, Mars is going to transit in your 11th house, from where it is going to aspect this house, that is the 5th house of the birth chart, which is going to impact your relationship a lot. There are chances that conflict will increase exponentially, specifically period after 10th of April. So you have to avoid unnecessary arguments in your relationship. Try to give importance to your partner. Try to give respect to your partner, otherwise your mental stress may increase. Try to spend some time with your partner. There are chances that due to your professional issues, you will start avoiding your relationship. On the other hand, if we talk about those who are single, then period from 13th to 17th of April will be a favorable period to them. There are chances that you may meet someone due to which your love and romance life chapter will begin. So that was all about your love and romance life. Now let's move forward and discuss about your family life during the month of April. If we talk about your family life, then the month of April may create some conflict with your father. The Sun is going to form Grahana Dosha with Rahu here till 14th of April, and Sun is going to transit in your 8th house, due to which there are chances that you may see some issues related to health of your father. There are chances that conflict will increase with your father. So you have to be little careful about that. Also, period from 7th to 9th of April and 18 to 21st of April may create some trouble at your home. There are chances that you may face some conflict with your mother as well. During these days, there are chances that your mother may face some health related issues. Period after 10th of April, when Mars is going to transit in your 11th house, there are chances you may see some conflict with your children as well. After April 10th, avoid imposing unnecessary decision on your children. Otherwise, your mental stress may increase. Now, if we talk about your married life, then due to the conjunction of here Rahu, Saturn, Mercury, Venus and Sun in the 7th house, the month of April may create some turbulence in your marital life. There are chances that conflict will increase, your mental stress may increase. There are also chances that your partner may face some health related issues here. Avoid unnecessary argument with your partner, otherwise your mental stress will increase and which may create huge gaps in your relationship. So you have to be very patient here. You have to keep your calm, and what remedies you have to perform I'm going to discuss in the remedies section. That will be very beneficial for you. So that was all about your family life. Now let's move forward and discuss about those most important remedies that will be beneficial for you during the month of April. During the month of April, you have to donate red lentils on every Tuesday to any needy person or to any NGO. You should chant Rahu Bij mantra daily 108 times after sunset, that is Om Brahm Rim Brom Sai Rave Namaha. Also, you should feed dogs and fishes daily after sunset. Due to the Shrapit dosha of Rahu and Saturn in your 7th house, you should donate some coins on every Saturday to any needy person. That will give you positive result here. Also, you should donate black lentils on every Saturday. You should do meditation daily at least 20 minutes. That will reduce the negative impact of Shrapit dosha as well as Grahan dosha during the month of April. So that was all about the Virgo horoscope for the month of April. May Almighty bless you always, and thanks for watching the video.